Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a popular time management technique known as the Pomodoro technique. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed or struggling to stay focused? The Pomodoro technique can help you become more productive and efficient. Let's dive in. The Pomodoro technique was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It's a simple but powerful method that uses a timer to break work into focused intervals called pomodoros, which is the Italian word for tomatoes. Each pomodoro is typically set to 25 minutes, but you can adjust the time to suit your preference and work style. To start, choose a task you want to work on and set the timer for 25 minutes. During that time, you focus solely on that task without any distractions. No checking emails or social media, just pure concentration. When the timer goes off, take a short break, around 5 minutes. Use this time to relax, stretch, or do something enjoyable. Don't use mobile in this break, then set the timer for another 25 minutes and resume your work. After completing 4 pomodoros, take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes. This break allows you to recharge and come back to your work with renewed focus and energy. The Pomodoro technique helps you stay focused and productive by breaking your work into manageable chunks and giving you regular breaks to avoid burnout. It's also a great way to track your progress and measure your productivity. And that's it. The Pomodoro technique is a simple yet effective method to improve your productivity and concentration. Give it a try and see how it can help you stay focused and accomplish your tasks more efficiently. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe and like if it's helpful.